how to connect any Bluetooth device to your Windows PC in easy, fast way. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect any Bluetooth device to your PC, your Windows PC. So first thing we do is we go to the start icon here down below and then choose the settings option right here. And after that you need to go to devices here, and from here you will be able to connect any device. Just click on this option, add Bluetooth or other device, and choose Bluetooth, and from here you will be able to connect any Bluetooth device as I said. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.